Hello, welcome to Avery Products. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make custom binder spine inserts for your view binders. We'll walk through the steps so you can organize your binders easily and make them look professional and appealing. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about binder spine inserts. These are cardstock strips that fit perfectly into the clear spine pocket of view binders. Unlike regular paper, these won't crumple when you slide them in. They are durable and reusable. We recommend opening the binder first to make it easier to slide in the insert. All right, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is order the right insert size for your binder's spine. Avery has inserts to fit binders as narrow as 1/2 inch or as wide as 3 inches. Next, go to the Avery template page on avery.com/templates and enter in your product number to find the template for the spine insert you chose. Then choose a template. Avery's Design and Print Online offers blank templates if you want to create something from scratch, or you can pick from a variety of customizable pre-designed templates. Now here's the fun part, customizing your binder's spine. Whether you're going for a clean, professional look or something more creative, Design and Print Online has all the tools you'll need, including edit text to add your own wording with just a few clicks, or add colors and images to make your spine stand out by changing colors or uploading your own images. We also have advanced tools where you can even add barcodes or QR codes, which are great if you're using binders for inventory or business records. If you want to type vertically down the spine, here's how you can do it. Click on Flip under the View menu to rotate the binder spine. Rotate your text box to match the orientation of the spine and resize it. Type your text, pressing the Enter key after each letter to stack them vertically. And that's it. Your text will now run down the spine perfectly. Once you're happy with your custom spine design, it's time to print. After downloading our PDF, we'll want to check a few settings. First, set your printer's scale to 100% so everything prints to the correct size. Next, print a test sheet on regular paper to make sure everything lines up with the perforations on the insert. And finally, adjust your printer settings to cardstock or heavyweight so it can handle the thicker material. After printing, just separate the inserts along the perforations and you're ready to slide them into your binder. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make custom binder spines with Avery printable inserts. If you're ready to start organizing your next project, check out the link below to shop for binder spine inserts and browse our free template. If you need additional help with Avery Design and Print Online, visit avery.com/help for more information or to contact our care team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.